Hey Chris, this is Eric Shank's 2001 Prelude. I got it running right now just so you can see the check engine light flashing at idle here. And then see the code here on my computer too. It's got cylinder 3 misfire detected. I guess that's focused well enough for you to be able to see it on this film. This is his car. We'll pop the hood and show you the serial number and everything on the motor. This 22A, the serial number is 1271629. So I'm going to shut this camera off now. I'm going to shut the car off, and I'll get the compression tester ready.